We're going to starve that cancer. How do you starve it? To starve it, you've got to know what it loves. It loves glucose. And so we suggested 6 weeks, no sugar, no honey, no sweet at all. What's she going to eat? There's a lot of vegetables. There's a lot of legumes. There's a lot of nuts. There's a lot of seeds. So you can get a lovely variety. Some people that come to us, they decide to make Monday lima bean day, Tuesday lentil day, Wednesday organic tofu day, Thursday black-eyed bean day. There's so many that you can have a different one every day. And so many different vegetables. She also had to check her house to make sure there was no contamination with mould. You see, mould loves sugar. It loves a damp environment.